Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about 5 reasons why I think you shouldn't study medicine. One is a very obvious one: is if you don't want to work hard. And the reason why I say this is medical school is extremely hard, extremely tedious, and it takes a lot of time and a lot of effort. So if you're someone who doesn't want to put in the work, who doesn't want to work hard, 100% medical school is not for you. Um, yeah, just as an example, like last year we had over 500 lectures. You also have hospital visits, you have practical exams, evidence-based medicine, we have research this year, you have compulsories. It's really tough and really something that takes a lot of time and a lot of hard work. So yes. So the second reason I have here is if you have a massive ego. And the reason why I say this is medicine and medical school has an extreme way of humbling you. It is really a humbling experience, and you will really, most of the time, you will feel useless and feel if you can't do anything. Especially in hospital, you will you will feel utterly useless. Just as an example, one day in hospital we got a patient and we had to do a neurological exam and neurological history exam on the patient. And we did the history, we did the exam, and we thought it is cerebellar disease due to chronic alcohol use, and we were completely confident in it and we were feeling great. Then the doctor came and she did the history exam, and it took her about 3 minutes, and she made us feel totally useless, and we didn't even get the diagnosis right. We weren't even in the right hemisphere. So the patient had something they call Guillain-Barré syndrome. So yeah, that was somewhere where we totally felt useless. So the third reason I have on my list is medicine and medical school is all or nothing. And the reason why I say this is that with other degrees, you can do a 3-year degree and then you can do an honors in something completely different. So you can change course. Then you can do a master's in something completely different and change course. Whereas with medicine, you kind of, if you're 4 years in, you kind of have to finish this 6, 7, 8-year degree, because there's no really turning back or changing. Also, another thing is with other degrees, you can do a 3-year degree or 4-year degree, and then you can go work and perhaps do masters or honors on the side. So you can start your life basically. You can buy a house, you can get married, all those things. Whereas in medical school, it's kind of difficult to do that, and it's not something you can do part-time at all. Okay, then the fourth reason I have why you shouldn't start medical school is if you aren't completely 100% sure that you want to study medicine. And why I say this is a lot of times people a lot of times people study medicine, and then when they get to the hospitals they realize that this is not for them. So one of my friends at medical school, this happened to him, and he realized after going to the hospitals a couple of times that this is not for him, and he stopped medical school, and we were already 4 years in. So yeah, please make sure that you're 100% sure that this is what you want to do. Go shadow, think about it, make your pros and cons list. So yeah, make 100% sure that this is what you want. And then my fifth reason, my final reason why you shouldn't start medical school is if you do it exclusively for the money. So yes, doctors and specialists, they do make a lot of money, or they can make a lot of money. But this shouldn't be your only reason for starting medical school. And the reason why I say this is other professions such as accounting, data analytics, IT, all those things also do make a good living, and you have the opportunity to start working at 3 years, 4 years in. Whereas at medical school, you're probably going to start working 6, 7, 8 years in. So there is a bit of an opportunity cost there. So there is a couple of studies that they've done, like someone who studied engineering versus someone who studied medicine. Like medicine will only catch up around age 40. So yeah, just for the money isn't a good enough reason to study medicine. You should really do it for the right reasons. You want to help people, make a difference. So yeah, thank you for watching my video. So this is the 5 reasons why I think medical school perhaps isn't for you. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.